In the camera, Mr. Davis.
Mr. Petway, could we bring out Miss Duhart, room 6?
Mr. Berry, could you go to room 6 and get her? Because she's not coming out.
Okay.
Said do her, right?
Yeah, DEW.
Ms. Okay.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning. Okay, I would ask everyone to remain quiet. 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no in and out of the camera, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. I'm trying to bring out Officer Presley. He's not coming out. All right, this is the people versus Ahmad Dewberry. Ticket number SP 1407656, count 1 drove while license not valid or improper license, count 2 no insurance misdemeanor. Some more tickets, one moment. Yes. Ticket number SP 1407649, count 1 dirty, obscured, and properly displayed plate, and count 2 no receipt of or unsigned registration. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Dewberry.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Dewberry. I believe Officer Harris is also present on this matter.
Yes.
Yes, hi, good morning, Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442.
And Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. Mr. Dewberry is going to admit responsibility to tickets ending in 76491 and 76492. We stipulate to the face of the tickets for the purposes of the factual basis, and the remaining 2 counts, the 2 misdemeanor matters, will be dismissed. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
Right. He does have a warrant ticket for a drive-by license suspended from 2021.
Okay, Your Honor, I would have to speak with Ms. Horn about that matter. Unless the court is inclined to add that to the dismissals. It's my understanding Mr. Dewberry is in the process of clearing up his license so that he can have his privileges restored.
We're on ticket number SP 1222343, count 1 drive-by license suspended. So with that, Ms. Harris, you stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number SP 1407649.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And then you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $120 for the dirty, obscured, I think that's correct, and properly displayed plate. I think that's 120.
Yeah.
And then for the no receipt of or unsigned registration, that fine is $105. So you have a total of $225 in fine. Because these are civil infractions, they're due in 14 days. So you need to have it paid by April 6th. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, sir. So you are all set. Good luck to you. And thank you, Officer Harris.
Thank you,
Have a good
everyone.
day.
Let's- One more for her. And what were we doing with the misdemeanor for him? A Dewberry?
I just.
Okay. Did I print it twice?
Oh, yeah, no, I have them all. I got them.
For the way.
He had three, he got the three misdemeanors. I'm sorry, give me one moment, everyone.
Yes, yes. Proper license, no insurance, and the driver license suspended. Okay.
All right, this is the people versus Michael Dickerson, ticket number SP 1405999, count one, driving register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Dickerson. Mr. Dickerson, please state your name for the record.
My name is Michael Dickerson.
I'm sorry, there's also count two, which is no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your name. Oh, you already stated. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. The officer is present. I believe he's still in the breakout room. Mr. Dickerson will be admitting responsibility to count two, with count one being dismissed. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
All right. Court will dismiss count one without prejudice, and we'll proceed to sentencing on count two. There is a fine of $195. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay this fine. Can you have it paid by April 6th?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions, sir?
No.
So you are all set. I don't know why Officer Hale is not coming out, but we'll let him know once he comes out. You're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
And Officer Presley's not coming out either. All right, this is the people versus Tracy Dunbar. Is she out here? Yes. Ticket number SP 1407046, count one, failed to display valid operator's license, not on person. Count two, failed to stop sign. Count three, no proof of insurance. Good morning, consider your name for the record.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Dunbar. Ms. Dunbar, please state your name for the record.
Tracy Dunbar.
Your Honor, although today is the date and time set for trial, the people have agreed to reset this matter for pretrial. There are a few moving parts that need to come together for Ms. Dunbar, so we're asking the court for a pretrial date.
We'll set this for a pre-trial for April 12th at 8:35. You are all set, Ms. Dunbar. Good luck to you, ma'am. Unless you have a question, you're all set.
Can I get a later date than April the 12th?
No, that's the date.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Jarrell Davis, ticket number SP 1398342. Officer Hale, we just did, who are you here for?
I'm here on Michael Dickerson.
Yeah, we just did Michael Dickerson. He pled to the no proof of insurance. So you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. It's People versus Jarrell Davis, ticket number SP 1398342, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. And count two, blockade, moving lane of traffic. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis, please state your name for the record.
Jarrell Davis.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. It's my understanding that he is waiving his right to trial and will be entering a plea to count two, which I believe is the blocking traffic. We admit responsibility to blocking traffic. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
Okay, there's also count three on the, I don't know why it's not on the docket, but it's on the ticket. Count three is drove by license not valid or proper license. Court will accept the stipulation that the count two will dismiss counts 1 and 3 without prejudice and will proceed to sentencing. There is a $175 fine. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay this fine. So can you have the 175 paid by April 6th?
Okay, you said $175 of 14 days.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If you don't pay it, it goes into default and it doesn't close out.
It sounds low. You said if I don't pay, it goes into default, and what else?
It will not close out, so you need to make sure you pay it, and you'll incur late fees. So make sure you get it paid.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
He does. You also, it's not, this isn't before us, but you have a CCW warrant that you need to make sure you take care of, Mr. Davis.
Where is that with?
It's with Judge Robbins.
It's with Judge Robbins.
Well, wait a minute, you know what? Let me see, where did he take this? What did he have?
Judge Robin.
And for example, he's got an exam. He can't this on his exam, so he needs to go back to Judge Robbins for PCC because he never did the exam, Robin with Jefferson.
So you need to go back to Judge Robbins, because this is a felony warrant that you have, that's for your arrest. So you need to make sure you get this taken care of. I would call,
You need to, his attorney was Sharon Payne.
yeah, you need to call your attorney. Do you remember your attorney, Sharon Payne?
No, I do not.
That's his birthday. Did you did have a CCW case, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you need to, you can't be at a hearing, so you need to get that squared away. So you need to call. Do you remember your lawyer? Find your lawyer's number.
I'm trying to see if it's on here.
Sharon Payne. I don't have her number, but
You have a pen?
You have a pen?
yes.
Write her number down.
All right, I'm ready.
571
Mm-hmm.
249
Okay.
7542. And here's your case number.
I'm ready.
2206
Right.
05 4801.
Okay.
Good luck to you. Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, this is the People versus Adrena Duhart, ticket number SP 981064, count one, drove by license not valid or proper license. Ticket number at 1839687, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. ticket number SP 1036693, count 1, driver register or entitled vehicle, count 2, drove while license not valid or proper license, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Duhart. State your full name, Ms. Duhart.
Adrena Duhart.
Your Honor, as it turns out, Ms. Duhart currently has valid registration, insurance, and license. We seek dismissal for valid documents.
You stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Duhart. Good luck to you, ma'am.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any way that I can get a letter stating that my case has been dismissed? Due to the fact that I work at Wayne County Jail, they wanted me to take care of my tickets in order for me to return back to work.
So when it's all entered into the computer, which I would wait till tomorrow, you can look online, search for your name, it should come up.
Okay.
Right? Any other
Thank
questions?
you. No, thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Attorney Clements.
Yes,
Is your
good
client-
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Is not Natasha or Natasia Dyke is your client?
Yes,
Okay. Do you need to speak to Ms. Horn?
who is Miss Horn? I'm sorry.
She's the city prosecutor. I don't know. Is it the city prosecutor or is it the state prosecutor? Which one do you need?
I believe for this matter, we probably were just gonna move to set a trial date, most likely.
Okay. Okay. What you say, Jeff?
It's already set for trial today if the officer is here.
Okay, then I'm gonna have to ask for an adjournment, Judge, because I haven't received any discovery.
Did you request discovery, Mr. Clement?
Judge, this was a ticket-related matter for an investigation that was attached to a felony as well. There should be dash cam and body cam from the investigation, and I sent out a FOIA request for this when the event happened, so that I could be able to be prepared to address it when it came time for a trial.
Some name starts with the M or N, because some of the stuff on here, I don't know, we need to ask.
She also does have several tickets, so this might be a different case.
So we have three tickets today. We have her for 3 tickets. And Sergeant Jackson is one. All 3 tickets.
That's correct. I believe that's the one that's interfering with the police investigation. Right.
Yeah.
So I was trying to.
Let me get in contact with the prosecutor. I'm gonna send a text message.
Oh.
And Your Honor, if it helps, she might still be in breakout room 7 if he's able to join that one.
She's in there. I don't know if she's actually
In there? Right, I know.
She's in there.
Well, I'm going back to room 25. I will be back shortly.
Your client, she hasn't checked in, Mr. Clement.
All right, I'll look to rectify that also.
Okay, so I'm gonna read you what I'm texting her. I indicated that you're here, set for trial.
Here she is.
Oh, there you are, Ms. Warren. There you are. Perfect timing. I think you should go into a breakout room with Mr. Clement. He's here on Matasia Dykes.
Got it. And let's see, I think
Sergeant Jackson is here for that one, but I think you should speak to Mr. Clement.
okay, we'll do.
Will you be in 7?
Yeah, I can go. I'll go in 7. Yeah, I know you probably tried to join me. I was sitting in 1, I think. Or I was sitting in 7. Okay, I'm going to Mr. Clements. Is he going to 7 or 1?
I put him in 1.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
He's in 2 now. Here, let's move on. All right, Mr. Barry, you ready on anything? Oh, Mr. Officer Presley, good morning. Ms. Dunbar, we adjourned hers. Well, we moved it for a pre-trial. She's in the process of trying to get her documentation. So it went backwards to a pre-trial. If it gets sent for trial, we'll notify you again.
All right, perfect. Thank you. But I'm also here on Dwight Dawson.
Let me see. I don't think that person checked in. Yeah, Dwight Dawson did not check in.
All right, perfect. Are they going to be a default?
Yes, we'll pay you some. And then we just did Dunbar like less than 5 minutes ago.
All right, perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And then we're still waiting to do Benny Robinson. Are we ready on that one?
Not as yet.
Is that yours? Yeah, would he do the no proof of insurance and expired plates?
Don't know. I'll go in and try to talk to him. I think that's Ms. Harris.
Oh, is she doing, she has even?
No.
She has odds.
Okay, so that's yours.
Robinson is mine in 20.
So, yeah, 22. Okay, 22. Officer Hill, you okay with that? The expired plate? We'll see if he has his documentation, but expired plates and no proof of insurance.
I'm okay with that, Your Honor.
All right.
Okay.
I don't know if she would just do one of them. I don't know, but see if he has, if he has any other.
Yeah.
He's in 22. Mr. Brown, I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna just put you in there. Okay, then we have Artasia Robinson. She is still here. Would you be all right with the fail to display officer, Kakish?
Yeah, that's all right, Your Honor.